Will funding for disabled people's organisations stop after Brexit? Equality campaigners and advocates are worried that all of the funding for disabled people's organisations will come to a stop after the Brexit deadline. But this is still very difficult to predict, particularly as the recent coronavirus outbreak has also created a great deal of economic strain. Some of our campaigns are funded by something called the European Structural Fund. This source of funding will eventually come to a halt when the UK leaves the European Union. So what other sources of funding will take its place after Brexit, if any? Should we be concerned? We may not need to panic just yet. The projects which are now being sponsored by the EU will continue to receive some funding even after the Brexit deadline, and this may continue until 2023 at the latest. After Brexit, the UK government wants to replace EU funds with a new scheme called the UK Shared Prosperity Fund, but at the moment we don't really know much about this fund. The biggest fear campaigners have is that this new scheme may end up prioritising businesses and industry rather than projects promoting equality and accessibility. It is for this reason that we must stay up to date with all information about the upcoming fund and keep actively involved in the process of decision making that will shape this fund's design. To do this, we encourage you to join your local disabled people's organisation if you haven't already done so, and make your voice heard with decision makers. You can also lobby your local Member of Parliament and your Member of the Senedd by writing to them about your concerns.